Zhejiang Lanchao Precision Machinery Company Limited. To be the best. To lead the tide. Here, state-of-the-art equipment delivers world-class quality. Here, innovation-driven research and development fuel continuous technological progress. Here, cutting-edge science and technology propel us towards growth and expansion. Here, craftsmanship and vision combine, enabling us to stay at the forefront of the industry. Under the strategic guidance of Made in China, Zhejiang Lanchao Precision Machinery Company Limited boldly embraces innovation. With a forward-thinking mindset, we navigate the vast opportunities ahead, writing a powerful anthem of corporate development and success. Majestic growth, brilliant achievements. Here, the march of progress never slows down. Founded in 1997 in the scenic city of Wenzhou, Zhejiang Lanchao has grown from a humble beginning into a global leader. We have introduced advanced production lines and evolved into a modern enterprise that integrates research, production, and sales. With modern production facilities, cutting-edge equipment, and a skilled, dedicated team, we become a leading global manufacturer of precision cutting tools, supplying industries such as aviation, electronic circuit boards, mobile phone panels, and precision doors and windows. Our commitment to quality is validated by ISO 9001 certification, as well as German tube safety certification and BG test safety approvals. Our renowned brand, TIDEWAY, has become synonymous with excellence in the global woodworking industry. Years of resource integration and market expansion have enabled us to dominate the domestic market while exporting to over 80 countries across Europe, America, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Our products are widely embraced, and we are recognized worldwide for our relentless pursuit of growth and innovation, leading through innovation, accelerating development. Here, quality forms the bedrock of our success. To consistently deliver top-quality precision cutting tools, we've invested in advanced production technology, including CNC turret lathes, double head lathes, CNC milling centers, automatic welding machines, automatic spray painting line, automatic centerless grinding production line, Walter 5-axis tool grinder, Anka 5-axis CNC grinding machine, multi-station flexible tool grinding center, automatic assembly machine, grinding and packaging systems, and intelligent tri-dimensional warehouse. We adhere to the stringent European safety standard EN 847-1-2018 in every stage of product design and manufacturing, ensuring flawless precision in each tool. We are equipped with world-class testing facilities, including the German Heimer dynamic balancing system, German Zoller tool detection, and Japan's Kiex 2000X digital microscope. Our production processes are rigorously standardized, ensuring that every tool meets our exacting standards of quality and safety. Innovation is at the core of everything we do. In 2012, we developed a high-precision internal cooling type drilling and milling cutter recognized by China's National Torch Program as a model industrial project, the first batch of National Patent Gold Seed cultivation enterprises. To date, we have received numerous accolades, including certification as a provincial R&D certification, Hangzhou's Enterprise Research and Development Center certification, Hangzhou Famous Brand Products, National Intellectual Property certification, and over 142 national patents, including 11 invention patents and 69 utility models. In 2020, 2 of our new products passed provincial evaluations, further showcasing our industry-leading innovation. At Zhejiang Lanqiao Precision Machinery Company Limited, we are committed to integrity, responsibility, and our relentless pursuit of becoming a world-leading brand in precision cutting tools. With our original mission in mind, we will continue to forge ahead, raising the sails of innovation as we navigate toward a brighter, more expansive future. Join us as we ride the winds of innovation and unlock new horizons together.